Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Get ready to uncover the delicious art of cooking Filipino-style eel, a dish celebrated for its rich, savory taste and incredibly tender texture. This traditional delicacy, often known as pinaneg or sarsiadang iget, truly offers a unique blend of local flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. We will walk through the exact steps, from preparing the fresh eel to simmering it in its aromatic sauce. By the end of this video, you will have all the knowledge to create this delightful culinary experience right in your own kitchen. It is simpler than you think. To begin your Filipino eel adventure, first ensure you have 1 kilogram of fresh eel, meticulously cleaned and cut into convenient serving pieces. Next, collect your aromatic foundation: 4 cloves of minced garlic, a 2-inch piece of grated ginger, 1 medium-sized onion, thinly sliced, and a few bird's eye chilies for that authentic kick. For the sauce, prepare half a cup of vinegar, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of water, and half a cup of creamy coconut milk to enrich the dish. These components are key to its incredible taste. The first crucial step for perfectly cooked eel is proper preparation. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the fresh eel, vigorously rub it with rock salt, then rinse it multiple times under cold, running water until all sliminess is gone. This ensures a clean taste. Next, carefully cut the cleaned eel into manageable 2-inch to 3-inch long segments, perfect for cooking and serving. Finally, marinate these eel pieces in about a 1/4 cup of vinegar for at least 15 minutes. This essential step not only tenderizes the meat, but also helps to neutralize any strong, unwanted flavors. Now let's get cooking. In a hot pan with a tablespoon of oil, sauté your minced garlic, grated ginger, and sliced onions until they become fragrant and lightly golden. This aromatic base is vital. Next, carefully add the marinated eel segments to the pan, cooking them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they slightly change color and firm up. Then, pour in the soy sauce, a cup of water, and the creamy coconut milk. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer. Cover the pan and cook until the eel is wonderfully tender, and the sauce has reduced and thickened beautifully. Your exquisite Filipino-style eel is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully transfer the tender eel and its rich, aromatic sauce to a serving platter. It is best enjoyed immediately, while still warm, to fully appreciate its depth of flavor. This dish truly shines when paired with freshly steamed white rice. The rice soaks up the savory sauce beautifully, creating a harmonious meal. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped green onions or a few more bird's eye chilies if you love a bit of heat. Enjoy this incredible taste of the Philippines.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.